Hey, guess what? Today we're gonna do linguine carbonara. Here we go. We have some onion, some chopped onion, and this is called cipolla in Italian. That's right. And look at this. This is my San Marzano. Look at this baby. Look at this. San Marzano. Don't you love that baby? You know? I wanted to show you how big it was next to my big head. Look at this linguine. It's like nice and thin. Okay. And then over here we have some parsley. This is pezzimolo. Pezzimolo in Italian. And then over here, guess what this is right here? This is some green onions. So this is cipolla verde in Italian. Yeah, that's right. And then we have some nice half and half. I'm going to use half and half on this one, folks. We're going to stay away from salt as much as we can, okay? Because I decided to go ahead and use a little bit of salted butter right there, and that's burro in Italian. And then underneath that is the garlic, which is aglio. Can you see that? Aglio? That's aglio. We have the main ingredient for carbonara, okay? It's prosciutto. This is prosciutto, which means dried ham. Look at how thin this is. This is cut thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the prosciutto in strips. I'm just gonna cut it into strips like this. Wow, I actually did that without spilling any. Can you believe it? Garlic. Okay, we're gonna put it in the pan. And I already preheated the pan. And there it is right there. This is the cipolla. Okay, it's the cipolla. I'm gonna go and put that in now. Okay, just like that. And just go ahead and let it saute. The prosciutto into the mix, and here we go. The magic has already begun. Pour a little bit in. This is how we do it, just to get it started. Huh? You don't know? Yes, this is cipolla. This is cipolla verde in Italian. Okay. Right in the pan. There we go. Okay, we got it there. And then we just go ahead and we start to mix it up. We'll mix it up. We'll mix it up. And look at this. Oh my God! Look how beautiful this looks. They say don't do this. They say don't use a spoon. Forget about it. This is how I do it, baby. Look at this. Now I want you to look at that. Look at that. Can you see that? Watch this. I'm at a loss for words. I'm going to tell you something. Wow. That is so delicious. Arrivederci.